Good morning. Welcome to Market Mashup, our weekly recap of financial markets and what we want to look for this coming week that might have an impact on direction of markets. I'm Scott Naska, president of Generation Capital Management. Last week was a good week for markets in general, as the Dow Jones was up 1.95%. S&P 500 was up 3.1%, and the NASDAQ was up 5.7%. So it's a good way to start the month of July in the third quarter of 2022. A lot of economic data points this week that we want to pay attention to, and the markets definitely are going to keep an eye on. We have CPI and PPI. Those are two inflation gauges out there, one at the consumer level and one at the producer level, and also retail sales, which will be coming out on Friday as well. So that'll give a good pulse and an idea of what the consumer is doing in the marketplace. But CPI and PPI, last time they were released, had significant weightings in terms of market direction. Both came in higher than expected, and threw some cold water on equity and bond markets alike. So we've got a lot of data points this week to focus on there, especially towards the end of the week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So do please pay attention to that. Also, to add more, fuel to the fire this week, we have earnings starting to come out this week too. A lot of the banking companies, financial institutions will be reporting this week. So, it's a good start to get an idea of how their industry is working for, the last quarter, and always want to pay attention if they provide any guidance for the upcoming quarter and the rest of the year. Markets will like to take a look at that. Once again, we're leading off with banking. And, some of the healthcare, United Health is coming out on Friday too. It's a big player in the Dow Jones and the S&P 500. So start to keep an eye out. I know the markets will be doing that. And that'll take place over the next, 3 to 4 weeks, where we start to see some of the major companies producing their reports for the last quarter. And always want to take a look at guidance, because like I said, that does give sort of reading the tea leaves approach that the market does like to focus on. If you have any questions, feel free to look at our website, www.gencapmgmt. We have a lot of information with blogs, newsletters, videos out there. We are excited that we are launching our Genpowerment, our financial planning product for people who are looking for just financial planning, not investment management services, but financial planning. We are having a live launch tomorrow. At 11:30 on LinkedIn Live. So please, if you can, click on and join us. I will be with John Howell-Wamet, our financial planning expert here, and the one who is spearheading the Genpowerment product. We'll give a little lowdown and observations in terms of what to expect with the Genpowerment product. A little overview of everything. We'd love to have people participate. And if you know of anybody who might be interested in it, please sign up. Like I said, it's on our LinkedIn site. Just please go on LinkedIn, and we look forward to seeing everyone tomorrow at 11:30. Once again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Give us a call, shoot us an email. Love to talk markets. Love to talk your personal situation. There's still a lot of anxiety out there. So feel free to just give us a call. We're here to help any way that we possibly can. I'm Scott Naska, president of Generation Capital Management, and this is Market Mashup. Have a great week.